Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your element on Royale High in Roblox. So you're just going to select this and you're going to open your diary planner. Go to your planner one, not your diary, so select this. And then you are going to turn your page until the second one. Type in elemental studies, and here you can unlock like the new magical element. For instance, this one I do need 50 levels to go, and you can unlock it here. You can, I don't know if there's a way to up XPs right now, but you can compete these quests here to get XPs to level up. So for instance, luck ready to clean, go there and teleport, and you can do that quest and then earn XPs from it. So yeah, that is how you can basically, why am I bald? Change your element on Royale High. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.